In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your eBay account. Whether you've decided to take a break from online shopping, or perhaps you're consolidating your online presence, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently understand how to navigate through the options on eBay's platform to close your account with ease. Let's start by signing in to your eBay account. This is a crucial first step because you'll need access to your personal settings to make any changes. Once you're signed in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen where your username is displayed. If you hover over your name, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you want to click on Account Settings. Alternatively, you can click My eBay, which you'll find on the top right of your screen, and this will lead you to a page with several tabs. Just make sure to click the Account tab. Now that you're on the account page, you should scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Preferences. It's here you'll find the necessary link to start the process of closing your account. Look for the link titled Close Account and click on it. This action will take you to a page where eBay provides detailed information about what it means to close your account. It's a good idea to read through this to ensure you're fully aware of the implications, such as losing your purchase history and saved preferences. Once you're informed, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll notice a blue button that says Close Account. Click this button to proceed. Next, eBay will ask you to provide a reason for closing your account. This is done through a drop-down menu with various options. Select the reason that best describes why you've decided to leave the platform. After you've made your selection, there's one final thing to do. eBay requires you to confirm your decision, so you'll need to tick the box that confirms your intent to close your account. This acts as an acknowledgement that you understand what closing your account entails. Finally, once you've checked that box, go ahead and click the Submit button. And that's it! You've successfully submitted a request to close your eBay account. Remember, this process might take some time to finalize as eBay verifies your request. It's a straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues or have second thoughts, you can always reach out to eBay's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Have a great day!